Can a budget-friendly pizza oven really compete with the big names? We take a closer look at Pizzello's features, cook times, and real-world results to see if it's a contender or a pretender. Links to each Pizzello pizza oven are at the top of the description box. Let's kick off our Pizzello pizza oven reviews with the Pizzello Grande Outdoor 2-layer pizza oven, a model that truly elevates outdoor cooking to a new level. When you use the Grande, you're greeted by an expansive 2-layer design that allows you to cook multiple pizzas or a variety of dishes simultaneously. This oven is perfect for those who love to entertain, as the extra space means you're never left waiting for the next pie to finish before starting another. The robust construction and high-quality materials ensure that heat is retained efficiently, resulting in evenly baked crusts and perfectly cooked toppings every time. One of the standout features of the Grande is its dual-layer cooking system, which is not only ideal for pizza, but also opens up a world of culinary possibilities. You can roast vegetables, sear steaks, or even bake bread, all while your pizza is crisping up on the stone below. The oven's design maximizes airflow and heat circulation, ensuring that every dish you prepare benefits from the intense, even heat that defines great outdoor pizza ovens. The temperature control is intuitive, allowing you to dial in the exact heat you need for each recipe, whether you're aiming for a quick Neapolitan pizza or slow-roasted meats. The Grande is also designed with convenience in mind. Its sturdy legs and handles make it easy to transport and set up in your backyard or patio. The oven heats up quickly, reaching optimal cooking temperatures in a matter of minutes, so you can spend less time waiting and more time enjoying delicious food with friends and family. The spacious interior and thoughtful layout make it easy to slide pizzas in and out, manage multiple dishes, and keep everything organized as you cook. For anyone comparing options and seeking the best Pizzello pizza oven for large gatherings or versatile outdoor cooking, the Grande stands out in any Pizzello pizza oven comparison. It's a frequent highlight in Pizzello outdoor pizza oven reviews for its combination of size, performance, and flexibility, making it a top choice for those who take their outdoor entertaining seriously. Now, let's transition to the Pizzello Forte Outdoor Wood-Fired Pizza Oven, a model that brings the timeless tradition of wood-fired cooking right to your backyard. The Forte is engineered for those who crave the authentic taste and aroma that only real wood can impart to a pizza. With its intelligent design, this oven can reach temperatures up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit, 400 degrees Celsius, in just 20 to 25 minutes, allowing you to bake a true Neapolitan-style pizza in as little as 60 seconds. The Forte's double-wall construction with cotton insulation sandwiched between layers of premium steel ensures exceptional heat retention and even distribution. This means your pizzas will have that signature crispy crust and beautifully cooked toppings, while the oven remains efficient and easy to manage. The included Cordy-Rite pizza stone further enhances the cooking experience, delivering a superior bake by absorbing and radiating heat evenly across the pizza base. Ease of use is a hallmark of the Forte. The foldable legs and detachable chimney make it highly portable and easy to store, while the included carry handle and waterproof bag mean you can take it anywhere, from backyard parties to camping trips. The oven comes with all the essential accessories, including a pizza peel and a wood tray, so you're ready to start cooking right out of the box. The premium steel exterior is coated to resist fingerprints and is easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze. In Pizzello pizza oven reviews from customers, the Forte is always celebrated for its straightforward controls, quick setup, and versatility. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced chef, you'll appreciate how this oven empowers you to create everything from pizza and bread to roasted vegetables and seared meats. Moving on to the Pizzello Gusto 4-in-1 Outdoor Pizza Oven, you'll discover a model that is as multifunctional as it is stylish. The Gusto isn't just a pizza oven, it's a grill, fire pit, and barbecue all in one, making it the perfect centerpiece for outdoor gatherings. The detachable upper oven allows you to convert the lower part into a fire pit or grill, so you can keep the party going long after the pizzas are done. When it comes to performance, the Gusto excels with its ability to reach up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring that your pizzas cook in just 60 seconds for that irresistibly crisp crust. The oven is compatible with a variety of fuels, including wood, pellets, and charcoal, giving you the flexibility to experiment with different flavors and cooking techniques. The premium steel construction is both durable and easy to maintain, featuring a special coating that resists fingerprints and wipes clean with minimal effort. A major benefit of the Gusto is its versatility. You can grill steaks, roast vegetables, or even toast marshmallows over the fire pit, making it a true all-in-one solution for outdoor cooking. The oven comes with a complete accessory kit, including a pizza stone, peel, cutter, and grill grate, so you have everything you need for a memorable evening with friends and family. The lightweight, portable design means you can set up the Gusto anywhere, adding a touch of Italian flair to any outdoor space. Its multifunctional design, high performance, and ease of use make it a favorite in any Pizzello pizza oven comparison, especially for those who love to entertain and experiment with different cooking styles. Finally, let's delve into the Pizzello Forte gas outdoor pizza oven, which is a model that offers unparalleled flexibility with its dual fuel capabilities. The Forte gas can run on propane, pellets, wood, or charcoal, allowing you to choose between the convenience of gas and the authentic flavor of wood-fired cooking. This adaptability makes it an excellent choice for those who want to tailor their cooking experience to the occasion or their personal preferences, reaching temperatures up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit in just 20-25 minutes. The Forte gas ensures your pizzas are cooked to perfection in only 60 seconds. The oven features two separate burners, one for wood and one for propane, so you can switch between fuel sources with ease. The built-in thermometer and door peephole make it easy to monitor your cooking, giving you greater control over the process and ensuring consistently delicious results. Portability is another highlight of the Forte gas. With foldable legs, a detachable chimney, and a waterproof carry bag, this oven is designed for life on the go. Whether you're heading to a picnic, a camping trip, or simply moving it around your backyard, the Forte gas is easy to transport and set up. The premium steel construction, with a special coating to resist marks and fingerprints, guarantees durability and easy cleaning. The Forte gas is often praised for its versatility, convenience, and robust performance. It's a prime example of the best Pizzello pizza oven for those who want it all: speed, flavor, and flexibility. If you're conducting a Pizzello pizza oven comparison and seeking a model that adapts to every cooking scenario, the Forte gas stands out as a truly comprehensive solution. As you can see from this in-depth Pizzello pizza oven review, each Pizzello model brings its own unique strengths to the table. Whether you value size, versatility, tradition, or modern convenience, there's a Pizzello oven that will elevate your outdoor cooking experience and inspire countless delicious moments. Links to the best price for each pizza oven are at the top of the description box.